Good morning, students. Our today's topic is exercise 4.2. Question number first. Construct the following quadrilaterals. Here, third one is rhombus BE and D, where the elements of this rhombus band is BN equal 5.6 centimeter and DE equal 6.5 centimeter. So here, first of all, we start the construction of this quadrilateral. We draw here a rough diagram of rhombus. This one. This is a rough diagram. B, E, and D. We know that the property of rhombus, that is the all sides of rhombus are equal. So here BE equal EN equal E and D equal DB. All sides are equal and the diagonals intersect each other perpendicularly. So here BN. So BN equal 5.6 centimeter and DE equal 6.5 centimeter. In this rhombus, two diagonals are given. So first of all, we construct this rhombus. Now we start here. So first of all, we draw a line DE equal 5.6 centimeter. DE or BN equal. So here DE equals 6.5 centimeter. So this is 0 and this is 6 and 0.5. This is BE equals 6.5 centimeter. This is DE equals 6.5. Now we take a radius at point A, half of DE, that half and more. This is half and more. This half and more than half. This is the radius. This is half and more than half. Then, and here we draw an arc upside and draw an arc same downward. Same radius. At a point E, we take another arc upward and downward also. Now this is the intersecting point. Now we join these points. Join this point and we name this point is P and this one is Q. Now this PQ line intersect DE in point at point M. Now we know that this is both diagonals are intersect each other. That means this point is M. Now M and N and B are half. That means this part and this part are equal. So here 1/2 of 5.6, that means half of BN, which is 2.8. Now we take a radius of 2.8. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we take a radius of 2.8. Point M here. This one. And downward cut an arc upward PQ and downward on Q. This one. Now this arc intersect line PQ with N and this downward is we name B. Now we join the line DB BE NE and last one is DN. So this is a quadrilateral band B, E and D. In this quadrilateral all sides are equal, which is 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter. This one is also 4.5 centimeter. This another one is also 4.5 centimeter. So this is the quadrilateral rhombus bend. Here the steps of constructions are: we write, draw a line DE equals 6.5 centimeter. Second step is, with D as center and radius more than half DE, draw two arcs on both sides DE. That means upward and downward. Same as E as a center, same radius. We draw two arcs upward and downward, which both arcs intersect at point P and Q respectively. Join PQ and let intersect DE at M. M is the midpoint of DE. Now MN equal half of 5.6, which is BN, is equal to 2.8 from MP. Cut MB equal 2.6 from MQ. Join DN, NE, EB and DE. So thus this is the required rhombus.